Hi, this is Tommy from Practical Programmer, and in this video I'll be going through refactoring, and that includes modifying package structure, rename methods and classes, move methods, and extract method and superclass. Here we have a class that doesn't have a package structure at all. So we'll first of all create a package. And we can simply move the class by dragging it into the package. You click the refactor sign, and now the class has been moved to the package. And we'll do the same for the second class. You can rename the package simply by right-clicking the package and selecting refactor and rename. We can also move a class to another package by using the context menu refactor move. And we can also create a new package while doing that. And IntelliJ will automatically update the dependencies from other classes to the new package. To rename the method, you simply select the method name and click rename and type in the new name. And we can find where this method is being used by right-clicking and selecting Find Usages, and it will display the method and the newly refactored name for the method. Renaming classes works exactly the same way. Right-click, refactor, rename. And IntelliJ again automatically refactors the related classes. To move a method to another class, again refactor, move. And we just type into the to field the class that we want to move this method to. If a method has started getting a bit big, you can always extract a selection into a new method. We can also extract a method from a class to a superclass and inherit from that. And as before, IntelliJ will automatically manage the refactoring. So we moved the method to superclass, and then we are automatically now extending the superclass to include the method in our class.